Cooper Island used to have white porcelain tile in their kitchen floor and behind the bar. It was extremely slippery when wet. They wanted a solution that was non-slip, that looked good, and that was easy to clean. So we installed a seamless epoxy and quartz resinous floor. We installed the epoxy and quartz system with steel trowels, a gauge rake, and gave it a smooth finish. Behind the bar, we had to use a self-leveling cement because there was a lot of jackhammer holes in the existing concrete floor. We didn't want to waste material, so we did an underlayment prior to priming the floor with the epoxy and sand. 24 hours after the epoxy and quartz cured, we installed a clear glaze epoxy sealer to finish the floor. We hope that the staff at Cooper Island enjoys this new epoxy floor and that they don't have any issues slipping and falling in the future.
I must say, very well done job to the ACS company. Beautiful, it's well non-skid job. I can recommend you any corner of the world. From me and from my buddy Jason.
Yeah,
well
okay.
done.
My name is Charlie Mather. I'm the head chef at Cooper Island Beach Club. We got this lovely new floor in, which is amazing because it helps us clean. It makes things a lot easier for us. We used to have a floor before, it was tile, people were slipping around, it was really hard to keep clean. It was just a nightmare. We had new sidings on the walls, so the walls would get dirty. Now, at the end of the night, we're able to get in, scrub real easily, hose down everything flushes to where it needs to be. Yeah, I love it, it's great.